All right, so let's open the 2016 Toyota Tacoma from Matchbox. All right, so this has the traditional yellow, orange, red Toyota stripes. Like I said, I think the original casting was kind of like an olive green, maybe grayish color. But the hard thing to come by is this top, and it actually comes off, which is pretty cool because like I said, that's the appeal for me. Now, as far as like the headlight detail, yeah, this is one they didn't put that much detail into compared to like some of the newer castings. But it is what it is. Maybe if I feel artistic, I'll probably paint it. Like I said, I get these for myself, so yeah. But other than that, that looks pretty slick. So anyways, there's unboxing for this.